Hello, I am Bhumika, a student at JGLS, enrolled in the course BA in Criminology and Criminal Justice, and I was privileged enough to get a good scholarship at the time of my admission. Everything that happens for a reason and for good. So here I am. I was always interested in science subjects as a student, mainly biology, and how forensics work just blew my mind all the time. So to blend my area of interest with a bit of psychology and other aspects of crime, I chose this course. So crime is much more than perpetrators and the victims. And this course is just perfect to unfold all the other aspects of it. If somebody wants to continue in LLB, then criminology is just an amazing start. It was very difficult for me to adjust at first, but the amazing subjects like essential psychology for criminology or juvenile justice in India, etc., was so much fun to learn. And the generous professors over here were always more than happy to help and support. Their engagement with the course, subjects, and the in-class interactions and the assignments just made it so much easier to learn. The bygone semester was indeed the best, and I'm sure all the coming ones will be too. So talking about the academics, needless to say, my experience has been quite pleasant because it's just as amazing. But apart from it, Jindal has provided me with a lot of opportunities to be a part of, from having the best infrastructure to the best societies and clubs, a variety of sports, and oh my god, the food here is just amazing. When I had come here initially, my mind wasn't really being kind to me, but Jindal was, to prioritize mental health as much as physical. I approached mental health centers like Sukoon and Center for Wellness and Counseling Services. I always knew this university has the best set of faculty, but I never knew it had the best therapists ever. When I approached to seek help, oh my god, my therapist has been a life-changing woman for me. More than anything, she cheers me up to be a better person every day. And since the very time of my admission, I had the best mentor in my share who said that she would always be there and she lives up to her words every day. When the mind is happy, things are obviously happier around. Apparently, the hostels here are better than any of the private colleges according to me, because the concept of attaching balconies to every room was just so thoughtful. All the perks makes it worth the hype, and I'm fortunate to be a part of this global university.